What's up, what it do, y'all? It's your girl Ree. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell on, and give this video a big thumbs up. Y'all, I'm back with another video. So today I am doing a fill-in on my client's nails. She has short nails and we're gonna do something fun, something cute. As y'all see at the beginning, they glow in the dark. So y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and also go check out Ree and Cal's YouTube channel. So let's get into the nails. Right now, I'm just taking off her gel polish because it's old, it's gel. We have to use a file to take off the gel because you can't put acrylic in acetone or it will melt the nail. So you have to use a file to take off your client's gel. So I'm using a coarse bit. I like to use a coarse bit when I'm taking off gel polish or any type of stones because it takes it off a lot faster and easier. So I just make sure all that is off. I reshape the nails before I do the fill-in. You know, make sure everything is good. How has everyone been? I hope all is well. Your girl is doing great. Your girl is on the road to 14 subs. Yay! Keep it going, keep it going. Let's get to 20K. Then from that, let's get to 100K. And then up and up and up. We getting up, we going up. Y'all, it's going to be lit this year. Content, all that. So yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see this next video that I'm gonna post. Y'all, it's not gonna be a nail video, but y'all gonna love it. Anyways, next I am just going to dehydrate her nails after I take all the polish off, and I'm gonna use my sander bit. My heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. Now I'm going to use my cuticle ball. Y'all know I love this cuticle ball. I just use that to go around the cuticle area to push the cuticle back and get all that cuticle, that dead cuticle skin. This helps really, really good, especially to prevent lifting. I rarely have lifting, and I believe it's because of this cuticle ball, y'all. I love this thing. So I suggest that you all invest in one. You can all check it out on my Amazon link, or y'all could just search cuticle bit. Using my little makeup brush to dust the nails off, using alcohol to dehydrate the nails, and then I'm going to use my Young Nails primer. It's called Protein Bond, but I love this primer. It works really, really good. So I just put it on the areas where I'm going to put the acrylic. Then I just get a little bead of acrylic to fill in the little areas that needs to be filled in. And I'm using Valentino's Classic Nude. I really, no, this is Glamorous Nude. I'm sorry. I really love Valentino's acrylic. I also love Young Nails, and it's a bunch of other ones I love, but this is my main one that I use. And I'm using a size 16 brush. Sorry y'all that the camera keeps going blurry. My camera for some reason always focusing on like one area unless I click the area I wanted to focus on. I have to fix that. However, you just want to make sure you get where the cuticle is at, not too close, not too far. And if you do get it on the cuticle like I'm doing, you could take the tip of your brush and just clean around the cuticle area and push that acrylic up, so you will not flood the cuticle area and you will not have to file back there, because you don't want to file back there because you're going to cut your client's cuticles and skin up. So sometimes I like to wet the area, like the fill-in, before I put the bead of acrylic down, because that helps remove all fill-in lines. Like if you don't want to see a fill-in line, I suggest that you do that, because you will not see a fill-in line if you wet the area before you put the acrylic bead on there. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason though.
ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost.
And I just repeat the same thing on both hands.
I got patience, one day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself.
So now I'm gonna go in with my small to medium bit, and I set my drill on 20 RPMs, which is not too fast or too slow. It's just perfect. Then I just take the cuticle bit and I just go from side to side. First I go around the cuticles, then I go side to side, and I just make sure I look on each side down the barrel of the nail just to make sure the nail is even and smooth and there's no lumps and bumps.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
I also like to taper the sides of the nails and the tip of the nail just to give it that nice shape. And by the way, the trip to Kalahari was amazing. My son turned 10. We went to Kalahari, Sandusky, Ohio. We did a bunch of things. If you all haven't seen it, check out my social medias on Facebook or Instagram. I have it on both. Sherice the Nail Tech. We had so much fun. We went to the African safari. We fed wild animals. It was so funny, y'all. Y'all gotta go check that out. I'm gonna post the video of us going there either on my channel or matter of fact, I think it's gonna be on Rian Cal's channel, because we started the video with Rian Cal. So go check that out when I post it. Make sure y'all go over there and check that out, because when y'all see these animals snatching cups from us and stuff, y'all gonna be weak. So I'm going in with my cuticle ball again to clean up the actual cuticle skin. So I put it on a low speed. I set it at 16 RPMs just to go over the skin area to get that lifted skin. You don't want to have it on a high speed because you can burn your client's skin and you can make them bleed if you peel too much skin off. So you kind of want to lightly do this just to have that clean look. Then next I just take my file and I just clean up the nail a little bit, and I just file areas. Oh, sorry y'all, that's my alarm. File areas that I feel like I didn't get with the drill. Now that I'm done filing and buffing, I'm going to use these glow colors to do these pretty nails. You know, your girl had to put her own twist to it, so I got the concept, but I went in and I did my own little thing, and I just, you know, wanted to use some glow colors. She was like, use whatever colors you want to use, and I'm like, okay. She was like, just kind of do the same thing but put your own twist. So I went on and I put my own little lines and colors. So y'all already seen the beginning how they look. Y'all go see at the end how they look without them glowing in the dark. So I started with my yellow glow color, and I just kind of like just was putting yellow anywhere I felt like I wanted to add some swirls at. And then I went in and I added other colors next to the yellow or wherever I just felt like the design would, you know, fit her nail, because she has smaller nails than the nails that I showed y'all in the picture. So we kind of like had to make it look right for her nails.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
And by the way, y'all, I'm planning on making a business trip to Atlanta really soon. I'm hoping that I can do it either at the end of this month or at the beginning of October. So I'm gonna make a flyer to say that when I'm coming or whatever. Oh, my bad. Let me stop real quick. I cured it for 60 seconds. You want to make sure you cure your nails for 60 seconds or longer, just to make sure that gel is dry. Back to what I was saying though. So I just kind of want to get out there and, make people know who I am. So I'm just going to start traveling to different cities, popping up with my nail stuff. Hey, I'm here, flyers, all that stuff, merch. So stay tuned for when I am touching down to Atlanta, because that is going to be really, really soon.
Everything that you did, that you said, I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted.
Now I'm going in with the pink and the orange. So I just kind of like wing where I'm putting these lines at. There's no method to this. I'm just like going as I please. So you could do the same thing. Like, you don't really have to copy exactly what the picture is, because I mean, unless your client wants you to, but it's really simple. It's just a bunch of lines that you like cross over and, just swiggle down. And I mean, you just create your own pattern. However, I'm just doing color by color, like I said, and I'm just doing it on both hands. And for the ones who don't know or don't follow me on social media, I got my shop. Yay! So SDNT Nails will be coming soon, and that stands for Sherice the Nail Tech. Yeah, I'm so overwhelmed and so excited. Like, this is a dream come true. I didn't know when this was going to happen, but I knew it was going to happen. And this is just amazing. I think I'm gonna post it on YouTube so y'all can see my journey and how we decorate the shop, how it started, just everything. Like, I can't wait to share this journey with y'all, like, because I feel like y'all a part of it too. Like, y'all family too, so y'all gotta know what's going on. Y'all gotta see what's going on. Like,
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
I can't wait to show y'all these Halloween nails that I'm about to do. Oh my God, this been on my mind, y'all. All them like crazy nails and stuff I be doing, like, be sitting on my mind for weeks, and I be trying to like find time to do it. But I'm about to do these like sometime next week, because I need these to be out. They're gonna be live, y'all, so make sure y'all stay tuned for those too, because they're gonna be so cute. It's gonna be different and a little weird, something that you can't wear on a daily basis, y'all, because I be on that type of stuff. But yeah, they're gonna be heat.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though.
When I went in with that green, y'all, that green definitely made this pop. Like, I'm so happy that I picked green. I'm like, ooh, okay, this is looking real, like, colorful and cute. That green did something. I really, really liked it with the green. So, y'all tell me y'all opinions though, but these nails was fire. Like, they remind me of Fruit Stripe. Y'all remember that candy that we used to eat back in the day? Well, it was gum. It's called Fruit Stripe. It had the zebra on it, and it was like, man, different colors. It reminded me of that package, y'all. Y'all gonna see at the end because I'm gonna post the package, the picture of the package next to the nails when I show y'all the end results of these nails.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Now that I am done with that, I go in with my Young Nail stain resistant top coat. I love this stain resistant top coat, y'all. If y'all don't know, now y'all know to get this. This doesn't peel. It works so good. And if you got clients that smoke, this is it. You can have white nails and come back still white nails. Like, it ain't no smoke film on it. It ain't like burn marks or nothing. Like, this work magic. I don't know what they put in this or how they make this, but this is everything, y'all. I'm telling y'all, try it out. However, here's the ending results, guys. I hope you all enjoy. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I fell in love with these nails. These are so cute. Like, it's giving fruit stripe. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Mwah.